there, crafty friends. I hope you'll stop and watch this video for just a second so I can show you everything that's in the Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box for November. I'm especially excited to show you this box because I put it together. I designed each of these boxes for hot cocoa themed projects. If you buy this mystery box, you will be getting a set of HTV or iron-on vinyl, a set of adhesive vinyl, a special bonus that I will show you, and a whole set of hot cocoa themed SVGs that you will get for free along with your mystery box. So let's open this up so I can show you what's inside. Okay, so like I said, in this mystery box, you're going to get a package of adhesive vinyl in different colors and types. You're going to get a package of HTV, again, different colors and types. And now every mystery box comes with a blank packed inside so that you have something to do your very first project on. For the November box, you're going to get a blank white apron. And so you can use your HTV on here and make an apron for yourself or as a gift. Everything you need is going to be right in the box for you. So let me show you up close each of these colors and patterns that you'll be getting in this mystery box. Easy Weed in Tiffany Blue, Strip Flock, which is the kind of fuzzy iron-on, in light pink. This is Shimmer HTV. The color is Pink Lemonade. This one is Glitter HTV. This is color Cherry. Another sheet of Easy Weed. This color is Cashew. And then you get two of the patterns that I designed. This one called Winter Stripe, and this one called Happy Mallow. These are the HTV colors. And then for the adhesive set, for the patterns, you get the stripe and the mallows again, plus these cocoa mugs. You're going to get the Expressions Vinyl Series 51 in Sea Glass. Then you'll get adhesive glitter in Red Brick, a sheet of Oracal 631 in Soft Pink, and another 631 in Light Brown. And then this is Permanent PSV in Aqua. And then you also get two sheets of transfer tape for working with your adhesive vinyl projects. And then of course you'll also get your cut setting sheet so you know what type of vinyl, what color it was, and then the cut settings for Cricut and Silhouette. This is really handy for starting cutting if it's a new type of vinyl that you haven't used, or to reference the color or type if you want to order more of something. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you liked learning about the colors and types of vinyl that I picked out for the adhesive and the HTV collections. Be sure to go order your mystery box if you haven't yet, and watch for a couple more upcoming videos where I'll show you some specific projects you can make with the SVGs that I created and these specific vinyl types and colors. So let us know if you have questions, and I'll see you later.